Zico. Oh, what a nice move. He gave Pesce Solido a lesson right there. Zico! Yes! Zico!
It almost looked in slow motion. Not the Zico of old. He didn't have the sharpness, he didn't have the pace, but he had the skills and he had the experience. And it looked as if the Toronto Blizzard were giving him too much respect. Like, I don't want to be the one to bring down Zico. Great skills by the veteran. The tackles are just not there. Pat Harrington gets a finger to it, but Zico has pleased the crowd. They wanted to see Zico score. Trevor McCallum could have walked in and just hit him hard, but you don't do that to Zico when there's 15,000 people come to see the Brazilian legend.